Good evening, everyone. This is Larika, and I'm working as an event organizer for 𝗏𝗏𝗪. Thank you for joining us today. I hope everyone is doing sound great. So before we start our meet, I would like to share a few things about our 𝗏𝗏𝗪s and its team. So people, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, give me 2 minutes. I'll share the Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, thank you. So 𝗏𝗏𝗪 C2C is an ISO certified company providing comprehensive professional consultancy to constructions and cooperative training services by IIT gold medalists and architects and elite industry professionals in the field of civil engineering. Our objectives are to introduce student community to industry experience and learning, to enhance the skill set and opportunities for every deserved civil graduate, to provide our clients with the best possible world-class outcomes. Our services are structural analysis of design, structural drawings, bar bending schedule, quantity and cost estimation, design basis report, building plans, interior design, elevation design, 3D model walkthrough, and land survey. Whatnot. We are a pack of bank services. And the man behind this is Mr. 𝗧𝗘𝗞𝗟𝗔 𝗦𝗧𝗥, sir, founder and CEO of 𝗏𝗏𝗪 C2C. Sir is currently working as a structural engineer in an MNC dealing with US projects. Sir also served as a 𝗟𝗃𝗃 design detailing engineer for central state government and private projects in Visakhapatnam. Sir also worked as an executive engineer for G+15-story high-rise buildings in Visakhapatnam. Sir also worked as steel design and detailing engineer in Pune. Coming to Sir's technical skills, Sir is pro at AutoCAD, Revit, ETABS and StatPro, SAFE, TSNX Tower, Risa 3D, RCDC, 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏 and MS Office. Let me introduce our architectural team. Mr. Ravi Prasad sir, architect and surveyor in Government of AP. Miss Priya Naval ma'am, architect in Haryana. Mrs. Spandana ma'am, architect in Hyderabad. Miss Rutuja ma'am, interior design in Pune. Moving forward, this is our structural team. Dr. Manik sir, engineer research manager at L&T. Mr. Mahesh Sudla sir, MTech in STR Dynamics, Structural Dynamics, IIT Roorkee. Sir is a gold medalist. And Mr. Vikram Singh sir, senior bridge design engineer at L&T. Sir is Air 743 ranker. And Mr. Ganesh sir, structural engineer at Kirby. This is our management team, Miss Deepthi ma'am, Miss Mayuri ma'am, and that's me Laharika, and Mr. Veer Pratap sir. The presenter of our show, Mr. Gunashekhar sir. Sir is a senior structural engineer. Sir has 8+ years experience in pre-engineered buildings. Sir also worked for 100+ PEB project design. Sir completed his bachelor's in civil engineering, Andhra University. We welcome you, Gunashekhar sir.
Yeah, hello everyone.
Hello, sir.
Hope you all having a nice weekend. So myself, Laharika already introduced about myself. So myself Gunashekhar, and I'm properly from Visakhapatnam.
We are delighted
Yes.
to offer the most hospitable welcome weekend, sir. Over to you, Gunashekhar.
Thank you, Laharika. Hey guys, we are going to know about the things which were spread all over the world nowadays. It is the main and most advanced technology in the civil engineering industry. That is Tecla Structures. Hope you all know about these Tecla Structures. So we are going to learn about these Tecla Structures in this course. So why Tecla Structures and what is Tecla Structures? Tecla Structures are mainly give the output of 3D structures. Like hope you all guys know about AutoCAD and all. So we can do 2D detailing, line diagrams, and as well as 3D also in AutoCAD, but not that much accuracy and proper 3D output. But Tecla is not like that. It is completely different from AutoCAD and all. It is a completely advanced technology which nowadays civil engineers are using everywhere, and people are running to get into this. Because if you see, suppose in our field, if you see a AutoCAD engineer who is working with AutoCAD tool, why? Because it's somehow it's a backward tool nowadays. Why? Because so many advanced tools are came, and Tecla is
Sir,
one of them.
sorry to interrupt. Do you share any screen, sir?
Definitely, but not now. Just give me a 5 minutes of time.
Okay, sir. Just I need to confirm that whether you are sharing the screen or not. That's why.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see now? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's visible.
Yeah, guys. Going back. So these Tecla structures are producing the 3D structures. Like in these 3D structures also, there were many structures like civil buildings and PMB buildings and structural steel buildings. So why we are choosing Tecla? It's completely a problem solving option. See, if you are going to do in an AutoCAD, okay, if you can do a 2D detailing, you cannot see what is going to happen in site and how it is going to erect a structure in a site. But Tecla is not like that. It is completely different from AutoCAD output, and it is completely advanced. So if you see, some people were working on AutoCAD, and nowadays so many people are there like with 6 or 7 years, 8 years experience. They are earning very less compared to the advanced tools using people. Nowadays freshers are getting good packages and all, and everyone whoever using these advanced technology like Tecla Structures and many are there using these advanced technologies, they are getting paid high really comparing with AutoCADs and all. And why Tecla? So see, not nowadays the Indian engineers are working all over the world globally, not just in India. Wherever you go, everywhere there is a civil engineering field and civil engineering resources. People were moving forward from the very old tools like AutoCAD and all. So they are going to advance their skills and their the personality developments, everything. They are going to improve a lot. And nowadays, USA, United States, Canada, Australia, everywhere, the Tecla is most used software. It is mainly why? Because it's a problem solving software, and as well as the main accuracy. It's a completely the structure, how it will erect inside. You will completely model a structure in the Tecla Structures. So I'll show you one example how we prepared a structure, simple structure. I'm going to show you guys. See this one. This is the structure. After an architect gives us a design drawing, from that we have developed a complete 3D structure. See, this is completely prepared using Tecla only. If you see this, everywhere, everything, whatever it is there in the site, it's completely in the site. What it is there we can get this in this tool. So if you see every node, every connections, we can detailedly model this 3D. Complete building we can model here, not just a simple steel elements. We can detail concrete walls, CMU walls, as well as decks, gratings, everything we can model in Tecla Structures. And nowadays, almost all the civil engineering companies, not just in India, everywhere in the global, they are preferring Tecla Structures. Why? Because of its accuracy and its advancements. See guys, we have Tecla Structures from 16th version onwards. 16th version means it's completely like it started from 2006 and 7. From then onwards they have developed, and 16, 17, 18, so number of versions they have developed, not just one version, one tool. They have stopped, nothing like that. They are improving their tool itself, everything, whatever the problem civil engineers are facing, they are implementing solutions in this tool, and they are developing every year. If you see this now, if you Google a Tecla Structures, you will get to know about these versions, Tecla versions from 16 onwards, 16, 17, every year. In 2006 and 7, these versions were coming from for every 2 to 3 years, but nowadays it is coming every year, every new version, every updated version. They are taking a surveys and all, their problem, they are taking the feedback from the users, and they are developing completely advanced options. So 16, 17, these many versions, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, even though 2022 also we have Tecla versions. So if you want to advance your skills and you want to be really a great performer, just think about these Tecla Structures and get into this. These Tecla Structures are now everywhere. It is there in all the companies, and people thought like civil engineers were using AutoCAD and some other tools and they were not going to get paid. No guys, that is completely false statements. Now civil engineers are completely almost same with the IT employees, so they are paying good salaries, they are getting paid very high. And why? Just because of this advanced technologies, not just only Tecla Structures, so many advanced softwares are there. But I am into Tecla Structures and I am working from past 8 years onwards, and I am getting good pay. And as well as my skills were developed from when I have joined and what I am doing now. I was completely different when I have joined. Now I'm completely different. It's because learning things and skills, developing our skills. So these Tecla Structures are really a great opportunity for every civil engineer to learn something, to perform something, and to improve their skills. See guys, now I have shown you one simple Tecla Structures, Tecla Structure which we have developed. It is in this everything, every element, every components we can develop. See, from bottom onwards, anchor boards, beams, columns, handrails, stairs. If you see this thing, even though deck, we can develop, we can model anything in these Tecla Structures, whichever the civil engineers are using. And hope you all guys, somewhat you people have understood about Tecla Structures. Yeah, am I correct? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the basic idea of Tecla Structures. And I'll show you what is in the Tecla Structures and what we can learn in the Tecla Structures, and what are the things we can learn in the civil engineering, structural steel industry. Yes. Guys, in the Tecla Structures, the screen is visible, guys. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, this course is completely based on 45 hours of time. In this 45 hours, we have separated every element what we are going to learn in this session. See guys, first starting with Tecla Structures, we are moving into detailing part. See, Tecla structures in the sense Tecla is a tool which is giving a output like 3D model and 2D detailing drawings. We will go deep in the learning sessions, but I'm just giving you an idea why we are using Tecla, what are the outputs are coming from Tecla, and what is PEB also, and what are the difference from PEB and main steel buildings also. PEB buildings are pre-engineered buildings. These buildings are very light comparing with a complete structural steel buildings, and mainly these PEB buildings are used for cold storages, storage facilities, and as well as some commercial purpose things. These PEB buildings are very lightweight buildings and cost-effective buildings. We are going to learn the detailing and modeling part of PEB buildings with using Tecla structures, and we are going to learn whatever I'm showing here, what introduction of Tecla structures, and what is detailing, what is modeling, what is 3D modeling, how we will do it in Tecla, and what are the output we need to perform 3D modeling, and what is 2D detailing, what are the drawings will be there in the 2D detailing part, shop drawings, single part drawings, and general arrangement drawings, GA drawings, usually we call as erection drawings. These things, how we have to do these things, what is the methodology to do the 2D detailing, and what is the method to do a 3D modeling, and what are the things we need to complete a PEB structure, and concept of PMB detailing, PMB buildings. So how the PMB buildings work, why the people will choose PMB buildings, what are its uses. We will learn in this concept of PMB building part, and coming to concept of modeling a PMB buildings. See guys, everything in this tool, if you want to do something, there will be some methods. If you want to prepare a 3D modeling of PMB building, 3D model of PMB building, there were some concept there for to do a modeling. Same like detailing. If you want to do a PMB detailing, there is some concept how to do the detailing. So we are going to learn everything, the concept of modeling and detailing in this concept, in this part. And next, coming to introduction to a real-time project. How real-time projects will work, what are the inputs we are getting from clients, and what are the things we need to grab from those inputs. So those things and all we are going to learn in this real-time projects. This course is completely based on 45 hours of time. You will get to know about everything, like to prepare a 3D modeling and to prepare a 2D detailing drawings from the Tecla structures. That you are going to learn in this part, in this course, PMB detailing. There are lot of things we have to know. And why Tecla structures? We can do it in AutoCAD also. So guys, as I said, there is completely advanced technology, and if we go in future, there will be more updates and advancements. So we have to grab each and every opportunity, and we have to pick everything, whatever the advancements are there in the civil engineering industry. And guys, like Tecla structures, coming to mainly used in the USA market. In India also we are using, but in India is completely based upon a oil and gas industry and as well as industrial projects, but not like US is not like that. It's completely using steel structures in everywhere in the USA market. Everywhere, if you go for a schools, colleges, church buildings, everything, medical institutes, everywhere they will use steel only, and they are preferring mostly Tecla structures. Why? Because this is the complete detailing tool which produce a output with the complete accuracy to give a fabricators a easy method to fabricate the complete steel and erect in the field to complete a structure in fastest methods and easiest methods. That's why we choose Tecla. And I'll show you one real-time project also, guys. Like, what are the things we will get from the clients, and what are the things we need. If something is there, then only we can do a structure. We can build a structure. We can completely form a structure with the input.
Sir, we are unable to see the full screen, sir.
Yeah. Just a minute. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Again, it is paused.
Yes, it's visible, sir, but it's minimized, sir.
Wait. Just a minute. Visible now? It is.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I think again it's no.
Yeah, sir. Actually, it was open in a preview mode. Can you please check it? Just try to right click it and open with the Microsoft Edge.
Yeah. I'm doing.
Yeah, please do that.
I have opened it properly. It's still.
So try to use the Microsoft Edge. Open with Microsoft Edge. I think it will work.
I think it's default. It's going to pause.
Right click it and open it.
Yeah, that's what I did. Now you can see, guys.
No, sir. Actually, it is not. So please try
Actually,
to
no, sir.
Stop screen sharing and you can try it again.
Yeah, I'm trying. Now you can see.
We can see the
No, sir. It is still in a preview mode. Sir,
No,
just click
I've
on
opened
right
it.
click.
Still, you are not able to see my screen.
Sir, we are seeing your screen, but it is not opening in Adobe or anywhere.
I have opened in Adobe only.
So yeah, can you please open? If it is Adobe, it was not in a starting screen.
Now it is Adobe only.
Not open. But fine.
It is not in the full screen mode, sir.
Sir, please choose the Microsoft Edge. Right click it and open with the Microsoft Edge at least.
Wait. Is it visible now?
No, sir. Are you using a dual screen?
Yes, I'm using it.
Sir, I think you shared with another screen. I think you are showing another screen, and yeah, that's fine. Right now we
It's
can
fine,
see.
right?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So guys, moving forward. So these are the things we are going to learn about this 45 hours of course. So guys, in this 45 hours of course, we are going to give you a complete in-depth of PMB buildings, how the PMB buildings are, and what are the things we need to do in PMB buildings, what are the precautions we need to take, what are the things we need a minimum, what are the minimum things we need to prepare a 3D structures and all we are going to cover in this 45 hours of sessions. And guys, nowadays, so many people were like joining as a freshers, coaching somewhere and some institutes. And after joining in the office, they are facing so many problems to perform what they have learned in the complete coaching. So, but we are not like that. We are confident that we can give you assurance that you can go and if you join in a company, you can perform how a experienced guy will perform. You will perform the same things and you will get to know about the things very easily and very fastly. So we are going to tell you about in depth of the PMB buildings and PMB detailing, PMB modeling with the help of Tecla Structures. We are going to cover everything about the Tecla Structures. And now I am going to show you a real-time project, how it will be, like what are the inputs we will get from the clients and who are the clients and what are the things we will get and what are the trades we will have in the structural steel detailing to build a structure. Let me show you guys. You guys can see this screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See guys, this is a complete simple steel building what we have done in our experience in our past. If you see this is the one of the building we have done. See guys, this is a complete structural steel drawings set. So whenever we start a project, a real-time project, if it is a commercial, industrial or conventional, everything, we will get a number of drawings from the client. That is our input. So what are the things we will get from the clients? Things are like structural drawings, architectural drawings.
Sir, still it is not in our screen, the main screen. I think you are showing something, but we are only seeing the
please.
Microsoft Edge, please. Right.
Can you guys see this now?
Yes, sir, it's fine right now.
Fine, right?
Yes, sir, you can continue.
Yeah, this is a complete structural steel drawings of for a one building. It's a simple building. See guys, this is the plan of a building, how the building is. This is the general notes. What are the things we will have in this structure? So steel things, steel related things, as well as wood related things, foundation related things, concrete walls related things, semi wall related things. And as well as if you work for a USA company, there is some standards like ASC standards and as well as OSHA standards. Those are the safety measures they will follow in their rules. So guys, if you go for a US buildings, they were very particular and they were very disciplined about the structures. Okay, they will give you each and every information about this building if they prepared a structural steel drawings. So if you want to build 3D modeling, so you will get a input from the client with help of using different tools. So they will use different tools, they will prepare the structure and they will give you the input. Thus that input I am showing you now. This is the structural steel drawings. So with the help of these structural steel drawings, we are going to develop a complete 3D model. So this is just a 2D drawing, that to design drawing, that's it, not a detailed drawing. That is the difference, guys, what we are going to learn. Design drawings are completely different, detailed drawings are completely different. Design drawings will help to form a structure. It will not help you to construct a structure. Okay, so detailed drawings are the main role. Detailed drawings will play the main role to build a structure. So this is the complete set of structural steel drawings and the details, everything you will see here. It's just a simple job, not that much complicated. This is the 11 pages of structural steel drawing. With this help, with help of the structural steel drawing, we are going to perform a 3D model. So we will receive input from the client like the structural drawings and as well as architectural drawings. And there were other trades also. If you see usually if you see a building, there will be a lot of things like concrete walls, CMU walls, masonry walls, and piping works, electrical works, as well as many other things will be there. So if you want to form a structure, you will need all the trades of the drawings, piping drawings, mechanical drawings, electrical drawings. With the help of everything only, we can build a complete structure. So we will receive every input from electrical coordinator is there. If there, he will give his input. If mechanical coordinator is there, he will give his input. Same like piping coordinator, he will give his input. So structural engineer, he will give the structural drawings. Architectural engineer, he will give the architectural drawings. So with help of using all these drawings, we will build a complete structure. Without these drawings, we can't do anything. So design drawings are main important. That's why architects are more important in the civil engineering industry. Architects and civil engineers, they will perform a main roles in the structural, this complete civil field. If you see this one real-time project, this is simple a foundation plan. If you see, guys, so what are the walls they have used here? What is the wall dimension? These we will call it as grids, guys. These things are grids. Whenever, if you see some building was constructed, without a base point, we can't do anything. And without proper planning and all, we can't do anything. These are the things we need mainly. If we are going to construct a structure, the grids will play main role in a complete steel building. So these are the grids. They will give X grids as well as Y grids. These are the grids, and this is the complete foundation plan. In this foundation plan, see guys, if you take a structure, there will be everywhere the structure will be in different levels, starting from foundation level, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So same the procedure wise, we will get the drawings also. If there is a foundation level, if something is in the foundation, we will get a foundation plan. If something is there in the level 1, slab, doors, windows, we will get the level 1 plan. Same like level 2. So going on, how many levels they are going to construct, those many level drawings they are going to give us. It's a complete design set, guys. There is completely difference between designing and detailing. They will design the building, we will detail the building. We will help fabricator and director to construct a building, and architects will help structural engineers to form a 3D building and produce a detailed drawings to the fabricators. So this is the cycle everywhere, anywhere in the world, globally, everywhere, not only just in India, everywhere, this is the cycle. Architect will design a building, structural engineer will detail a building and produce a drawings to fabricator, and he will start working on those drawings, and he will fabricate every column, beam. So many elements are there in the detailing field, not just column and build. Everything they will fabricate in the workshop. They will take all the assemblies together to the site, and they will start erecting in the site. You you guys, after erecting, you can see the building, a raw building. What I have shown you, a 3D structure, no? That structure is going to form. So these are the main things. If you see this detail, if you see the structural drawings, they have given complete details. What are the things they need to construct? They need to construct this concrete wall. See this 2 feet, 2 feet 4 inch, and what is the slab type, and what is the concrete CMU steam wall, how many inches of CMU wall, everything they will give. And we are going to, this is just a 2D drawing. We are going to form this wall in the 3D with help of the Tecla structures. See all the details they will give, what they want to build. So before erecting, before forming a structure in a real site, we are going to construct building using this software, and we are going to construct first, and we will see the what we will see, and we will rectify the problems, and we will grab the problems, and we will provide a solution. We will have contact with complete we will have a complete contact with architect, and we will have a conversations. If we facing any problems, they will help us, and with the help of them, and we are going to complete a structure. See, this is above foundation, there is a one floor. This is the plan of that floor. See everything, concrete slab, what is the slab, what are the things in the building you are going to see here. Slab, what are the entries, what the where is the staircase, what are the entries, doors, windows, everything we are going to see. See, this is second floor framing plan. So in this, we are having trusses, 24-inch deep wide trusses. What are these trusses? What is the beam? What is the beam sizes, column sizes? What are these things? See guys, if you see here, these yellow markings are beams. So what is this beam? What is this W18 into 76? What is W14 into 34? If we see a design drawing simply, we don't know what are the things in this. We can't understand. So we are here to help you understand the things. We are here to help you to go and perform your best in the wherever you join or wherever you work. So these are the things we will get from the clients. Yes, it's a complete second floor framing plan. What are the things they have used? Steel beams, 24-inch deep wide trusses. So what are the distances we need to follow? What are the things we are going to place? What are the things we need to detail? Everything they will give. See guys, everywhere these grid dimensions were there. So complete structure, it's based on the grids. Without these grids, we can't do anything. Frankly speaking. See, this is the fourth floor. You see this? This is second floor. This is third floor. This is fourth floor. You can see the title also here. This is the second floor drawings. This is third floor drawing. This is fourth floor drawing. So every floor, each and everything, what are in the floor, what are we are going to keep, what they are going to construct, everything they will give, not just simply design drawing or nothing like that. This is completely full-fledged detailed design sheet. We are going to prepare a 3D model with help of this only. If we missed anything, any small detail also, we will face the issue. That is the main reason nowadays clients were preferring more advanced softwares just because of accuracy, just because of quality. They are going to pay, but they need quality and accuracy. We can't get quality and all from other tools, but these Tecla structures are completely designed for structures, steel structures. Even we can perform concrete buildings also, but we are not into it. Not just concrete buildings, we can do RCC also. RCC, everything, this rebar, so many are there. It is like a sea, guys. We will have more. How much depth we go, we will learn that much. See, this is the roof. Completely top of the structure, roof. So after this, there will be nothing. This is the last plan. After that, see this. All the four side elevations. West framing elevation, south framing elevation, east framing elevation, north side framing elevation. So four sides, how the structure is. These many floors are there. If you see, every floor from where it is started. This is the 0, 0. From 0 feet to 43 feet. So 4 floors building, 4-storied building. So what are the windows are there? So where are these windows? What are the things? What types of windows they have used here? Everything they will give in detail. See this complete details. What are the plates they have used? What are the metals they are going to use in the field? We are going to place this completely. Whatever you guys are seeing, we are going to place in the 3D. How the real plate is, how the real beam is, everything, how the site, the job is going to erect in the site. You are going to model that in the Tecla structures. We are going to learn about that complete 3D modeling. You can see the details. These are the foundation details. So how the column will place and how they will fix the columns, the help of anchor rods, post anchors, so many things are there. See how the CMU packets are there. Footing details, foundation details. Okay, and I'm giving you one more clarity, guys. We are not going to do anything which is related to concrete. We will just place for our reference. We are completely on the structural steel buildings. Those are PME buildings, pre-engineered metal buildings. There is completely different between the PMB buildings and structural steel buildings. If you Google, guys, you will get to know. And even that in the course, in our course, we are going to tell you about the differences between these PMB buildings and structural steel buildings. Structural buildings are very high costly, very high and very strong also. But PME buildings are not like that. These are strong, but very cost effective buildings, and as well as very simple to fabricate and erect. That is the difference between the PME buildings and structural steel buildings. We are going to learn about PME buildings completely. But what I am showing you guys is an example. That's it. What the drawings we are going to get from the clients. Don't think on this job we are going to work or we are going to learn. This is just for your reference. Like what the things we are going to learn and what the things which will be available in this structural steel detailing part. I'm just showing you, that's it. See this complete lintels, bearing details, everything they will give. This is the input from the architect. With the help of this input only, we are going to produce them complete drawings. This is the complete set of a design drawing. These are the main first phase. If you get anything, any project, if you want to start any project, you need this page. Without this page, we can't do anything. This is the basic part of the structure. You will get the complete details here. Like what are the structural steel? What kind of structural steel we are using to construct this building? Wide flanges, tubes, high strength bolts. What are the bolt types, bolt standards? Everything we are going to learn. How the bolts will be. If you if you went to any workshop or any fabrication shop, you will see the bolt, right? That whatever the bolt is exactly there, we are going to model that bolt in the Tecla structure. So if there is a problem, we are going to solve it. We are going to solve here itself. That is the most interesting part in this Tecla structures, the problem solving. And you will get to know about all the advanced things, whatever the things they have developed till the date. And we are working on the latest Tecla structures, 2022 versions and 2021 versions. And there were some versions, 2020 Tecla 20 version is there, Tecla 21.1 versions are there. Some clients will use Tecla 21.1. Why? Because Tecla structures they are completely advancing their tool. Tecla 21.1 is the last version, which is friendly for everyone. We can easily learn in that. We can happily understand that. But 2021, 2022 are most advanced and somewhat bit complicated to understand. Those are highly advanced, and we are going to learn on the 2021 and 2022 versions, and as well as 21.1 also. For understanding purpose, we will cover everything. Nothing like this and that only. Why? Because as we promised you guys, if you are going to join in a company or you are going to work somewhere, you will be confident. You will not be feel like a fresher. We can definitely assure you that. See guys, these Tecla structures, till now we have discussed what is Tecla structures and what are the inputs we need to perform a 2D detailing and 3D modeling, and what are the outputs we are going to give from Tecla structures. That is also I'm going to show you guys now. Yes. From Tecla structures, we are going to give different kind of outputs. We are going to give coordination things like BIM coordination. Everybody, I think, will have some idea what is BIM, building information modeling. So everybody will not have the software. So how they will see the model, 3D model? In which tool they are going to see the 3D model? So Tecla is really advanced. Like Tecla will give an output so others can see the 3D structure without having any software installed in their systems. So there were a lot of files, extension files. So IFC file mainly we will use. If you export the complete structure from the Tecla and if you gave the file to the client, they can see what is the 3D building you have developed. They can see without using any tool. They will just simply open the file and it will open automatically. If they have BIM coordination tool in there, they don't need to open Tecla structures and open the file. So not just 3D outputs, same like what are the 2D outputs we are giving. Any structure everywhere, not just PEMB buildings, structural buildings, every building, there were 3 kind of outputs, guys. 1 is single part drawings, 2 is assembly drawings, 3 is erection drawings. These kind of output we are going to give from Tecla to the fabricator and as well as the erector. Fabricator, what are the things we are going to give fabricator? Single parts and shop drawings we will give to fabricators, and erection drawings we will give you the erector. There is a two different sectors, fabrication and erection. Once fabrication done, the erector is going to take all the assemblies to the site and he will prepare a structure. The fabricator will fabricate the cuts, bolts, everything, holes, what are the holes, thing, everything fabricator will take care in the workshop. So these kind of 2D output we are going to give from Tecla to the client, whoever is the customer. We are going to give to them. I will show you one example of how the erection drawing will come from the Tecla. You guys can see my screen now. Hello.
Yes, yes.
I have opened another screen, another drawing. See, this is the one erection drawing. Whatever I have shown you structure here, right? We have developed a 3D structure with help of this. This is the 3D structure we have developed in the Tecla. See guys, how it is. All the 3 floors from the foundation and roof, how we have developed this. See the window openings. What are the things they want to completely construct this structure? So we have developed this 3D model and we have created this as a erection drawing just for client reference, how the structure is. After designing, we have detailed this 3D model. You guys can see everything, columns, beams, floor wise, first floor, second floor, third floor, and roof. What are the entries they have? This is the complete isometric view of a building. Whatever I have shown you here, see there is what is the difference for the design drawing and detail drawing. This is design drawing for the 4 floors. And from the design drawing, we have detailed this drawing. This is the 3D model we have developed in Tecla. See all the things we are going to give them in detail. So what will be the erection process? What is the material we have used? A36, everything. For plates, what the material things we have used. We are going to give in detail. That is the difference between the designer and the detailer. Designer will give a overall thing like how the structure is. But detailer will construct structure itself, but not inside in the tool. That is Tecla Structures. So we are going to learn in depth everything. What are the erection drawings? How we will create these drawings? How we will develop these drawings? What is the methodology to develop these erection drawings? Same like detailing. 2D shop drawings also. There are some shop drawings. See guys, if you want to build this as structure, you see these beams here. Number of beams are there. Same like number of columns are there. So they will fabricate these beams separately in the workshop, and they will take each and everything in the field, and they are going to connect them with the help of connections. See this. Now what I'm doing is, this is the column to beam typical connection. So they will take all the single assemblies to the site, and they will erect single assemblies, beams, and they will connect everything, and they will form a structure like this. But you guys will get a doubt. Why to detail? With the help of this design drawing itself, we can develop this drawing. If you gave this drawing to a fabricator, how much length of this beam he wants to fabricate? How he will know? And what is the material he will use? What is the length and how it will connect to the other part? Same, if you see here, these things they can't. If they even tried also, they will never get a chance of getting about these things. We are the structural steel engineers, will study the complete design drawings, and we will develop these 3D drawings, and we will help the fabricators to understand the structure and fabricate very easily and erect very easily to develop a structure, to form a complete structure. This is the main role of us. So we are going to learn in these things in detail in the complete Tecla structures. Hope you guys enjoyed my session. If you guys have any doubts and all, you guys can ask me now. Hello.
Yes, sir. Attendees, please share your valuable feedback with us. You can find the feedback form in the chat box.
And guys, one more thing.
Guys, who filled the
What are the things we are going to learn in this? Already I have shown you guys PMB detailing course. And what is our price for this course? You guys can see my screen. Is it visible? Yeah. This is our course price. This is our duration, and you will get to learn about the theory part and practical part as well. And same tool wise, and as well as concept of pre-engineered buildings. Everything we are going to cover in this 40+ hours of session. Not we are going online sessions now, but don't worry guys, if you skip any of our sessions, you no need to worry. We have recorded sessions also, so we will provide you the recorded sessions also. If you guys have any doubts, me and 𝗧𝗏 are very closely work with everyone who are interested and who are going to learn these things. You guys no need to worry of anything. If any doubt, anything, you can ask us. We will spare some time for you people, and we will take care of everything. So these are the things we are going to.
please fill the feedback form?
Sorry, can you be a bit louder? Hello.
Get a certified certification.
Hello.
Attendees, we are open for queries. If you have any queries, please reach out to sir.
Yeah. If you guys have any doubts or queries, please kindly ask us. We are here to help you guys.
You can pin in chat box, or else you can turn on your mic and ask directly, sir.
Yeah, definitely.
Hope everyone have a good knowledge session with us.
So hope you guys enjoyed my session also, and thank you, 𝗏𝗏𝗏. Thank you for your time. Yeah, thank you,
Thank
𝗧𝗏.
you, sir.
We are here.
It is our honor to have you here, sir.
Thank you so much.
I would like to express my gratitude to all the esteemed attendees of the webinar, presence and contribution to make this webinar a great success. I extend my gratitude to our honorable guest, Gunashekhar sir, to take out time from his busy schedule to grace the event. On the behalf of Bhavnams, we thank you all for the patience that you have shown and involved. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Guys, please kindly fill the feedback form. You will get a those who fill the feedback form will get a participation certificate from Bhavnam C2C.
Please guys, please share your valuable feedback. It's very important for us, and hope I see you all guys will start learning these things. We are going to start this course from coming Friday. So please register. Please enroll your participations and all. So thank you for everything. Thank you for your valuable time, guys.
Yeah, thank you
Have a
so
nice
much,
week.
Gunashekhar sir. Thank you so much for this. So wonderful webinar. You just did that, and you explained a lot. Means it's a vast project. It seems to be like a 1,000+ metric ton project. It is, I think so. So thank you so much, sir. And hope guys you enjoy the session. Maybe so some people are from BTech students, I think. So it might be very tough for you guys to understand about the PEB structures. If anyone will be working with the industrial buildings like pre-engineering buildings, those people will understand what is the importance of the Tecla and how we can, what is the importance of the steel structures. So those are all things you will see here, and they will understand that how much tough it will be in a pre-engineering industry. And it is not like a RCC structures. Coming to the steel structures, it will be a vast concept, and we need to learn more things. If we did anything wrong in the modeling, it will affect the entire structure. Once you fabricate it, and once you done the fabrication assembly fabrications, it won't use if you did anything mistake. So it is it is a little bit a tough process in a pre-engineering buildings, and modeling also it is not that much easy. So but Gunasekaran sir is having a vast experience on this pre-engineering buildings. He is going to help you guys do the things very easy. So hope these sessions are, as I saw mentioned, that these sessions are going to be started next Friday onwards. It will be the Sunday, Saturday sessions. So Sunday 2 hours, Sunday, Saturday 2 hours. We are going to do that. So if you guys interested, please enroll with that. And the course price, I hope you already know that the course price you can pay with the 2 installments as well if required. So yeah, I hope you are also going to get the ISO certificate as well.
Yeah. Please just mention, like, yes, every working people also can attend our courses. Why? Because we have already mentioned, like, this is not just only online class. We will provide you the recorded sessions also, and most probably these classes will be on Saturdays and Sundays. So working people will get the offs. If they didn't get the 2 week offs, at least they will get one Sunday. So try to spend the 2 hours and just imagine how you are advancing your skills, and you are going to develop your personality and everything. If you are a civil engineer, you will understand these things. So no need to think like if we are working people, we can't learn these things. You can spare the time, just 2 hours every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 2 hours, as Srinivas said. So we can help you out. No need to worry in that. Yeah, Srinivas, please continue.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. All our courses will be mainly for the students. They will get a knowledge, and the working professionals will get a working experience knowledge. So it's not like only for the students. Why? Because we are not going to give some basics in our courses. All our courses having a in-depth skill knowledge, and the people also from the industry professionals as well. They are working with all the courses. Even though we have a past Stat Pro in the designing, how you Stat Pro by using the IS codes and US codes, how you can calculate the seismic load on a US code based on the US code, how you can calculate the wind load on a pre-engineering buildings by using the US and IS codes. All those are not only for the students. It is always, we always welcome our working professionals to learn the things from the industrial professionals. So hope, if you have any queries or anything, please let me know here. We will clarify all your queries. So please give your valuable feedback. That will help us to do more things in upcoming days. Yeah, we do have lots of softwares to cover. Yeah, SAP 2000 and SAFE and ANSYS, and there is a lots of softwares in civil engineering industry. We are not always stick with one software. We have a different roles and responsibilities in our real-time industry. So we need to enhance our skills by learning different softwares in a different fields. So yeah, if you have any queries, please let me know here.
Please let us know, guys. We are going to end in 5 minutes.
So our course is mainly, we are going to conduct like this only, like we will conduct the Zoom itself, and we have a platform like application. There you will get all the recorded sessions each day. So even if you are a working professional, if you miss the session, you will get a recorded sessions after 4 or 5 hours. So we need to give it for a reference. Otherwise, if you just join right now and you may not, you are not able to attend the live class where you will get the reference. We need to give a reference. And these designing modeling softwares need a more practice. So you need to watch more and more times, and number of times you need to watch. So that's why we are going to give it for a reference, and you will get all the recorded sessions for the upcoming 5 years. So in the 5 years, how many times you wanted to watch, you can watch, and whenever you wanted to watch, you can watch. Yeah, thank you so much, 𝗧𝗘𝗞𝗟𝗔. Yeah, if you have any queries, please reach out to us, and I hope you already in our groups, and there we can share every details. Please give your valuable feedback. Still, if you have any queries, please ask here. So we are open for next 5 minutes.
Thank you, Universal, for your interaction.
How you will get a certificate once the course will completed, we will give you ISO certificates, as we mentioned already. So after the course completion, after the 45 hours of course, it will be so 1.5 months means we will, it is a weekly based only. Almost it will take nearly 10 weeks, I think. So after that you will get a certification as well. Class timings, mostly preferably we will think about this, and based upon the people interest, when the people will be good, and if suppose there is a 10 member of people, we will take the majority time, and then we will decide either it will be morning or it will be evening. So if it is the evening 7 to 8:30, we might thinking to conduct in 7 to 8:30, or else it will be based upon our convenience only. So sometimes sir might be busy with his work. Sometimes you guys might be busy with it. At that time we can reschedule it, but our main agenda is to be 7 to 8:30 or 7 to 9. So that is in between. If it is a morning, so almost in the weekends, it will be 9 to 11 or 10 to 12, like that we will. How to download current webinar? We will share with your mail. We will share the means these all certificates to your mail. No need to.
Please share your feedback. So every feedback person will get this webinar certificate. Yeah, contact details are mentioned above. Please, Srinivas, can you share your that message?
Yeah,
again once?
please check our. I think. Just give me a minute. Let me mention our contact number. Yeah, I hope it will be our office number, so you can contact there if you required. And coming to the dynamic course, yeah, so it is not right time to talk about the dynamic course. Someone is asking me. So yeah, I think someone. Ram, please contact us in, personally with this contact number. We will discuss in the ETAP static and dynamic course. Yeah, it is all about from the basic to advanced level, how you can design a building. From the single story building to G+90 story building, how you can design by using the ETAPs. That is the outcome of the course. So please contact us. Still, you have any queries, please let us know. Yeah, it is not a design course, guys. It is not a pre-engineering building design course. It will be the modeling and detailing course. So yeah, if you see the pre-engineering building sector, so this there is a almost it will be the 2 parts. So 3 parts we can expect, and the design sector, and drawing sector, and erection sector. So the erection team will be different, and the drawing team will be different, design team will be different. So so that's why we are in the middle of this. Like we are in a drawing team. This course is all about the drawing, like modeling and making the model, and after that doing the detailing, and after that generating assembly drawings, single part drawings, and all these things. So we are going to cover in this session. And mostly we are trying to we are going to show you the real projects, how we are doing the modeling and these things in a real-time projects, that we are going to show you here. Yeah, that's what I wanted to mention here. We will share you the webinar certificate to you. I think everything is clear. Still, if you have any queries, please reach out us. So we will happy to help you guys. So
Thank you,
so much.
Srinivas.
Thank you
I'm
so much,
signing off.
Gunashekhar. Yeah,
Yeah, thank you.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Thank you
hope
so much,
Larika,
sir.
it will be fine, I think.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much for all the participants. So to attend this webinar, hope we will come up with the more and more webinars in upcoming days with your support. Thank you.
Thank you, Gunashekhar sir, for your great knowledgeable webinar.
Thank you. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye. Good night.
Yes. Thank you so much, attendees. Let's meet
Yeah,
with another great and knowledgeable webinar.
Recording of this webinar we will upload in our YouTube channel. Please go and check the previous records as well. So this session was going to upload in a YouTube. There you can find the recording sessions. Larika, you can go ahead. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, attendees. Hope everyone filled the feedback form. Let's meet at another great webinar. I'll wind up the session, sir.